The Jamaican economy could contract by as much as 12% this year. That's according to preliminary data from the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ. Now, this is up from the 10% projection reported in its last economic outlook. Andrew Laidley has the details.
The PIOJ released another economic report card for Jamaica today, this time assessing economic performance in the third quarter, that is July to September 2020. The report outlines another double-digit economic contraction, 11.3% compared with the corresponding period last year, with the regular suspects, a surge in COVID-19 cases and the prolonged downturn in mining activities highlighted as leading causes for the negative report. And things aren't expected to get better before year end, with the PIOJ projecting a larger economic contraction for the 2020 calendar and fiscal years.
For October to December 2020, it is projected that the economy will contract within a range of -9% to -11%, resulting in a calendar year contraction in the range of -10% to -12%. For fiscal year 2020-2021, the projection is for a contraction within the range of -10% to -12%.
Despite the grim outlook, there is hope that mining and quarrying will start to churn out better figures in the October to December quarter.
We are expecting the impact of the closure of the GISCO plant to cycle out as of the end of the September quarter. We are actually expecting some growth in mining and quarrying for the October to December period.
At the same time, the PIOJ is projecting that economic recovery should return in less than 5 years.
The good news is, the green shoot would be that we anticipate a shorter time for recovery in terms of restoration of GDP. We anticipate maybe 3 to 4 years as against the 11 years, and a shorter time of recovery for employment, maybe 2 to 3 years to recover those jobs as against the 8 years of the global financial crisis.
The official data on economic performance will be reported by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica.